I want to go deeper on that family aspect with you
Hmm.
because this is called the Repertoire Podcast. I love giving lessons from my experience, but I'm just one guy. I don't have family in restaurants. And that is just such a core part of how you came up. And so maybe to start, what do most people not understand?
The one thing I always have done, and I would say was the most important thing, was never really try to act like the owner's son. My dad also did a very good job of that in terms of making it very clear to me that you're going to work under the chef. You're a line cook, so you're going to act like a line cook. You're going to have family meal with the team and all that stuff. So that was very, very important early on. To me, it's not a job. I've seen my dad's blood, sweat, and tears go into this business, going to work at 7 a.m., coming home late at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, missing birthdays and missing holidays and New Year's and all those things. That's something that came to me when I joined the industry, is that I got to put in that effort and that sacrifice. And we started in a small apartment in Queens. And he's worked his way up to opening one of the first Michelin-starred Indian restaurants in the country.